Okay guys, so I got a few things for my phone and just gonna jump right into it and show you what I got. Just do a quick pan over so you guys can see everything I got here. So I'll start left to right. So I got a new mic. It's a Rode Micro Mini, I believe, or Video Micro. And then this, I'll show you why I got this. This isn't new, so this is just the same old camera. I just got new batteries in there. Then I have here the Polar Pro ND filter and the filter case for the iPhone 11 Pro Max, my phone. So now I can get some nice ND filters in there. I know I was using one before, but it didn't work on the iPhone 11, so I haven't been able to use one for quite some time now. So it was a bit pricey. It's almost $200 Canadian just to get it shipped over here, and everything was pretty expensive. And then here we have the Smooth 4, I believe it's called, Smooth Q4, something like that. It's the gimbal. It's awesome, and got some counterweights for it because it's the big phone. Got a lot of stuff on it. Gets kind of heavy, and yeah, this thing is sick. If you guys seen my shorts already, like one of my short little quick videos that I made, and I posted on TikTok. If you don't have my TikTok already, you can check it in the description below, and it's the same name as the channel, Nick Minor. So just look that up on Instagram or on TikTok and Instagram, and you'll see the video up on there, and you'll see it on YouTube as well. But I'm gonna go ahead, set this all up, and show you the camera difference. Here, just so you guys can see. Just to show you guys real quick, this is what the gimbal looks like all set up. I think that looks pretty cool. Okay guys, so here it is in action. Take a look around the car. Also the mic, let's see how it handles the wind. I gotta be careful because the what's it called? God damn it. The case is a bit too big, and so it gets super close and rubs. But you see how smooth this is compared to how my footage used to be. It's much better, and I feel like the mic's much better too. Yeah, my baby. Let's get a nice thumbnail picture. Boom. Yeah, I gotta be careful because how it keeps hitting with the case on. Kind of sucks. But yeah, the problem I'm having right now is my rear. I'm getting in the car. My rear clutch or my rear struts apparently are all what do you call it? They're a bit they're coming loose. Apparently the HSDs come loose. I don't know why. Something to do with the nut in there and this and that, holding it all together with the top hats with one nut. But I'll see what comes out of it. Really don't know what else to say. I'm just gonna take the coilovers off, which kind of sucks. I really don't want to do that. I guess nobody really wants to do that. This thing definitely needs some getting used to handling because it's kind of tricky. Yeah, see how it like locks up there? Yeah, I like it. You guys definitely got to go check out that video on my TikTok and my YouTube. A little edit I made. Yeah, kind of sucks. I really do not want to take apart the rears and take apart my coilovers and that. But I guess you gotta do what you gotta do. And since I'm going to do that, I might as well put my my tires on here. Let's get this all fixed up. And then zoom. There we go. That's pretty cool. You can all control it with your hand. I'll fix this. Yeah, it's gonna take some getting used to, for sure. But yeah, I gotta put these Hankook RS4s on. They are, what are they? They're 225s. No, they're 245s by 40? 15s? Yeah, I think they're 40s because they have to be low pros. A lot thicker than these boys. Let me get out of zoom here. But yeah, I gotta take the coilovers off. It kind of holds me back on a lot of things. I don't know if a lot of you know, I have the Panos taillight conversions. I was planning on doing that this weekend, but I can't because I gotta take out the coilovers now, and that kind of takes priority because it's like $300 to paint the panel red, and it might need new coilovers, so no point in really I guess doing that. Hey guys, I don't know if you've ever really heard it like running, so I'm just gonna walk around it with it running with this microphone. This microphone is really good, so hopefully we can get some good sound with it. Pretty nice rumble if you ask me, but for some reason it was quite loud when I was really on it. I think that's enough for today, guys. Hopefully this thing's tracking me good. I don't even know, but yeah, I love this thing, so hopefully I can get it back on the road and it's not gonna have its coilovers fall apart on me, because that would definitely suck.